In the Backyard, sponsored by Custom Retaining Walls and Landscaping.
Hi, this is Katie with Custom Retaining Walls, and today we're talking about container gardening. Container gardening is easy. Containers can be made of all sorts of materials and all shapes and sizes. First, you want to make sure your container has ample drainage in the bottom. You'll also want to choose a nice potting soil that is not too heavy and that drains well. First, decide whether your container will be in sun or shade. That will determine what kind of plants you can use. Today we are going to plant this planter, and these plants are going to be in full sun all day long. You'll want to choose a thriller plant. Use the rule of 3. This plant will go in the center of the pot. This plant should be taller than the rest. Next, you want to choose filler plants. These plants should have different flower colors and different leaf textures than your thriller plant. And we're just going to put these on the opposite sides of the thriller, and that's going to make us a nice full planter. I'd like to give a shout out to our sister store, the Treehouse, down in Leroy, Minnesota, for supplying us with these lovely annuals today. When you're done planting, you'll want to make sure you water your container well, and you'll want to make sure that your container does not dry out in hot and windy weather. You should water with a water-soluble fertilizer like Jack's All-Purpose or Jack's Bloom Booster at least once a week to keep your containers looking nice and full and ready to go all summer long. Once again, this is Katie with Custom Retaining Walls, and we'll see you next week in the backyard.